Hi there and welcome to another episode of My Currency Transfer TV. So we've got another Bitcoin episode lined up for you today to bring you the latest update on the currency, how it's faring with the recent downfall of Mt. Gox and what the future holds for Bitcoin. So what exactly happened to Mt. Gox? Mt. Gox was a Tokyo-based company which took deposits in dollars, yen, and a few other currencies, and also most commonly Bitcoin. Now, the company allowed people to trade Bitcoin for dollars, etc., and vice versa. Mt. Gox made their profit by charging traders a commission and so earned a percentage of transaction volume. And the transaction volume was exceptionally high, making Mt. Gox the leading Bitcoin exchange for over a year. However, this all changed some weeks ago. On the 7th of February 2014, Mt. Gox began to halt Bitcoin withdrawals. And this went on for around 2 weeks, and of course people really freaked out because Mt. Gox now allowed neither real money nor internet money to leave their company. In that period, Mt. Gox continued to accept trades and earn commission on them. Users couldn't cash out their Bitcoins, but they could still sell them on the site and attempt to withdraw their money. So what did this mean for Bitcoin? Now, as a result, the price of Bitcoins on the site plummeted over the fortnight, potentially lessening Gox's liabilities while earning the failing company commission fees. The obvious way Bitcoin has been affected can be seen in market prices. So right now, Bitcoin is down 18% from about 6 weeks ago when the trouble started, quite simply as a result of the downfall of Mt. Gox. The challenges Bitcoin faced in the last month represent what happens when you have such a valuable currency in such a vulnerable and chaotic environment. Bitcoin remains an unregulated currency with high risks. Of course, other Bitcoin exchanges are all just as likely to fall to hacks and bugs due to the insufficient level of security used for trading a cryptocurrency. So what does this hold for the future of Bitcoin? Bitcoin continues to face hurdles as it attempts to become the big currency of the digital age. And it is highly likely that the damage to public perception to this class of technology could put it back 5 to 10 years and cause governments to react quite harshly in response. However, on the positive side, most of the Bitcoin community seems prepared to try and separate perception of Mt. Gox from that of the currency and concept itself. To add to this, Bitcoin is empowered by the immense hype it continues to receive, and actually, what is Bitcoin was one of the most popular searches in 2013. Personally, we believe that Bitcoin as a currency may or may not be revolutionary, but the technology behind it, the blockchain, is likely to leave an impact. Ultimately, the success of Bitcoin as a currency or commodity will come down to how many merchants use it and how many customers demand to pay with it. It needs to be regulated for it to be accepted, so as long as the user and merchant numbers grow, governments will have to pay attention. So it is too early to call time on Bitcoin just yet. So we hope that this video has given you a breakdown as to the impact the fall of Mt. Gox has had on Bitcoin. We'd love to know what you think and how you believe Bitcoin will fare later on this year. Why not send us a direct email at sophia@MyCurrencyTransfer.com or tweet us at MyCurrencyTrans. Thank you for watching and goodbye.